Dave, this is what you're missing, mate. Oh, hang on a minute. Is that the sun up there? I think so. And a clear blue sky.
Dave,
wonderful.
How many men does it take to launch a boat? 2 good ones.
Should be some boxes come up on there, is there?
Yeah. It's doing something. Lights flashing.
That's it. There's a dog in. Oh, my other rod's going there, I think. Yeah. Horrible things.
Catch and return, sir?
Oh yes.
Another dog. One granite? Yeah. Put up a good fight, didn't they?
Is it? Hold up. Looks whoa, yes, that's given a bit of a fight there, isn't it? Look at the effort going into this, Dave. Oh, Dave, look.
Oh, another one.
It's another dog.
I'll be glad when this stops, give my arms a rest, I tell you.
Oh, look at this. Now he's going to say, Ren, could you take that off for me? please.
Oh, I hate them. Oh, you're going to take it off, are you?
I'm going to take it off while you hold the camera.
Okay, mate. It's another reasonable sized dog.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, that tail.
I'll be glad to sit down and have a cup of coffee, mate,
Yeah.
wouldn't you?
Oh, Dave, have a look at that. Look, that's about as pissed off as you are. See that? It's going back. Sent the dogfish. I'll tell you that now.
I think you might have just caught the anchor.
I thought, what's this? Fucking grain. It's recording now. Yeah,
Is it?
we'll just hold the side of it.
No.
Let's take this off. Go, mate.
Let's go. Yes. No, she's not a thorny back. Yes, she is.
It's a thorny back, mate. Yeah.
Thornback Ray.
We had for a while was doggies. We did have a little stray which went back on the side, but really we should have come with a bit of company, I suppose. It's a bit lonely over there where we are.
Stay. You got a spotty dog.
Hey?
Got a spotty dog, haven't you?
It's a crab.
Is it? That's a spotty dog turned inside out. Oh dear, look, you caught his bum. What's it?
Another spotty dog.
Oh, I caught his arse.
Ah, so's you curling him up, isn't it?
Bastard.
Don't forget you're on camera.